Good morning to Dr. Nur as well. My name is Nur Emylia Izzaty Binti Mohamad Joki and my metric number is 2052N93. The topic that I will present today is animal husbandry. First, let's look into the meaning of animal husbandry. What is animal husbandry? Animal husbandry is a scientific name for breeding and caring for a farm animal that is a major source of income for farmers. In order to meet high demand for food, a lot of science and technology are involved in this business. This is a large-scale business, so these animals should be bred, cared for, reared, and sheltered in a farm of the region, which is specially built for them. Dairy farming, poultry farming, fish farming, and bee farming are the major types of animal husbandry that are being practiced in the world today. Let's go through dairy farming first. Cows, buffalo, sheep, and goats are included as dairy animals. These animals are bred for dairy purpose only and have been taken care of by professional veterinary. These animals are mostly milked by machines since the technology are already been improved. The milk is being processed and then will be used for commercial purpose. Farmers crossbreeding the local breed and the foreign breed to enhance the quantity and the quality of the milk production. This is because these two types of breed have different traits. In New Zealand, dairy products bring in about $90 million in a year by farming just under 5 million dairy cows in over 11,000 dairy herds. This is because New Zealand has the best temperature climate for dairy animals. Second, let's look into poultry farming. Chicken, ducks, geese, pigeon, and turkey are the examples of poultry animals that have been bred to produce eggs and meat. Farmers also crossbreed the fowls, and the crossbreeding are focused on raising breed with desirable traits. As an example, New Zealand uses two types of meat chicken farming system, which are barn and free range. The barn is an open poultry houses that are equipped with automated temperature and ventilation controls, feed and water system, and have litter floors so the fowls remain dry underfoot. Here is the example of barn. The free-range system also offers the same condition as a barn, but the fowls are provided with access to outdoor ragging area. So this is the free-range system. Salmon, catfish, cod, and tilapia are the most common species that are raised in fish farm. In general, fish farming is a process of raising fish in closed tank or pond for commercial purpose. Fish farming also refers to culture fishery, which means controlled cultivation of fish in water bodies. The fishery can be divided into two types, which are inland fishery and marine fishery. In New Zealand, salmon farming is a big business and expected to expand in the coming years. Salmon are reared in land-based hatchery before transfer to sea cage or freshwater farms. Salmon can reach slaughter size after 10 to 18 months. Salmon are fed with a synthetic diet fortified with fish meal and fish oil to make them grow quickly. This is an example for inland fishery. Inland fishery means fishing is done in freshwater bodies like lake, pond, and rivers. 5 to 6 species can be reared in one water body, but that species must have different food habits so they will not have to compete for food. Rohu, katla, grass carp, and the common carp are the common species for inland fishery. And this is marine fishery, which means farmers cast their fishing net in marine fishery. They use echo sounders and satellite to detect the location of large fish to increase the yield. Apis dorsata, Apis indica, Apis florea, and Apis mellifera is the common type of honeybee that are being kept by a beekeeper. Beekeepers only take care of those bees whose names start with Apis because only this species produce honey. In general, beekeeping is the practice of maintaining bee colonies by the human in man-made hive, and the bees were reared for their honey on a large scale. Apart from the honey, we also obtain bee wax through the beekeeping. In New Zealand, beekeeping starts in 1839 and being established in industry as well as hobby activity. Because of the high demand for honey, this industry rapidly growing into international business. This is apiary or beeyard, which are the name of the place where the bees are kept. Animal husbandry promote employment to people, help increasing farmers' living standard, promote a healthy and clean environment, and contribute towards strengthening the economy of the country. Animal husbandry also can cause high cost maintenance, disrupt ecosystem, and spreading disease. Overall, I can conclude that all the bad impact are focused on the environment. This is because some people didn't care about the environment. Hence, to develop economic growth by expanding the animal husbandry business, everyone should be aware of the importance of a clean and healthy environment. That's all from me. Thank you.